Wow, take a look at the mountain of meat. That is what I call a big piece of meat. Let's try it. Wow, the whole legs here. Pretty crazy to tear it apart. A bit sweet, there's probably some sugar in here. Okay, so spring has arrived here in Beijing, and I figured it's good to go to the homemade spring pancake place to check out some local Beijing food. So let's go and check out. They have a lot of cool stuff here in the menu, but they're famous for the type of pancakes and dumplings, and actually Beijing duck, but I'm gonna save that. So I'm gonna have some pork here, I think, and then some crispy dumplings. Let's try it. Ooh, wow, here is some amazing stuff coming in. Wow, here we're having the dumplings coming in. Okay, so as you clearly could see, we got this huge mountain of meat coming in here. Yeah, they're definitely generous with the portions here. Always love to go for a lot of meat, but I'm also going to try the dumplings here. Very cool decoration. So let's have a bite and try it out. Also tender. Yeah, typically I go for beef or maybe lamb, but this is pork. Try to mix it up a little bit. Really nice. China has so much food to offer, it's crazy. Let's go and try this one. It's like a huge dumpling, I think with eggs inside. Let's have a bite and try it. Steaming hot, you can see the eggs and the leek inside. It's amazing. Really oily but so nice. 非常好，正好吃的，对。Yeah, so it's a good time when they ask what you think. Very oily but super tasty. They actually give you gloves here, but I think it's going to be a bit barbaric and just eat it with my hands here. Totally incredible. Really basics. Meat, dumplings, eggs, chives. Doesn't really get much better. One last bite of this one. Really rewarding. Perfect timing. I did some exercise outside in the park together with my friends. A lot of intensive exercises, so I need some energy to fill up. But didn't eat anything in the morning. I think it's very important to be able to enjoy life, having Chinese food when you live here. Totally incredible. Also the other day I actually had some Hunan food. I'm gonna show you here. One of the best things about living in China is you can have a lot of amazing spicy food. Here we have the Hunan hot pot with beef and some white radish. So let's try it out. I had this amazing beef combo with the radish and a lot of chili. Let's try it. Crunchy, very tender actually. Not too spicy, even though you see of course a lot of chili. Just love some spicy food. It's actually the first time I tried this dish here. It's a lot of mountain, but it's always fun to try some different ones, so you can enjoy this a little bit. A lot of garlic and ginger and chili as always. Even have the whole garlic cloves here. Really strong flavor, that's for sure. Really great combo here. This hot pot and have some rice. I enjoy this a little bit. If you come to China, you gotta try some Hunan food. So let's see you a bit later. Yeah, you gotta get that protein in. Some beef, I think, that evening, but now some pork. And maybe tonight I'm probably gonna cook something. We'll see what that turns out to be, but probably something with a little bit of protein. So I'm gonna continue exploring here, but just wanted to share a little bit of my Beijing food adventure with you guys. But if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.